Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to add Wave customers to Google Sheets automatically, right? So guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can automatically transfer the details of your customers you have in Wave application into a spreadsheet that you have in Google Sheets application, right? So first of all, let me talk about why we need this automation. Suppose that you are running any business and you are using Wave application. So guys, Wave is an invoicing and accounting software, and here you can track your sales and create invoices. So you have added customers in Wave application to use the features of this software, and you want to save the details of those customers in a spreadsheet that you have created here in Google Sheets for the record or to use the data for various purposes, right? But the issue here is there is no direct connection between Wave application and Google Sheets. So what you have to do, you have to manually sort out the details of your customers from Wave application. Then you have to come to Google Sheets and manually fill the details of your customer here in the spreadsheet. But guys, if you are having many customers, this manual process can be very problematic and tiresome for you. So I have a better way. What if I tell you that as and when you add a customer here in Wave application, the details of your customers will get automatically transferred to a spreadsheet that you have in Google Sheets. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen, I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you add a customer here, the details of the customer will automatically transferred here in a spreadsheet. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation is going to work in real time and how you can also make it. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I'm in my Wave applications dashboard. Okay. So here you can see in this sales section, we can create estimates, invoices, recurring invoices, and in this customer section, we can add customers like these. Okay. So I want that whenever I add a customer here, that same customer will be saved here in my spreadsheet that I've created in my Google Sheet as well. Okay. So let me show you. I'm going to create a customer here by clicking on add a customer button, and here I'm going to fill the details of that customer, and then we will see if the same customer get automatically shifted here in my spreadsheet like this or not. So let me fill the details here. So I filled the details here like this. The name of the customer is Rajiv Nigam. Okay, and here I've added these details. So you can save here many kind of details like this account number, the website, and any note. Okay, and the billing address, right? For now I am just filling these details, the first name, last name, email, and the phone number, right? And here I'm going to click on save. Okay, so you can see a new customer is saved here, added here in my Wave application, right? Now we will check in my Google Sheet if the same customer's details get added here or not in a new row. So guys, a Wave application uses polling technique to send the data. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the data here in our spreadsheet. So we are going to wait for a few minutes and then we will check. So you can see now a new row is added here automatically in my spreadsheet, and it is saying Rajiv Nigam is the first and the last name, the email address, the mobile number, and the date of creation of this customer, right? So we got the details here automatically from Wave application like this. Okay, and you may wonder how I managed to bring this data here automatically. So let me show you the process by which you can also make this automation. So first of all, let's open Pabbly Connect by typing here on the search bar in your internet browser Pabbly, that is pabbly.com, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, and from here you can create your free trial account of Pabbly Connect by clicking here on sign up free button in just 2 minutes. Okay, for now I'm going to click here on sign in, And now from this all apps section, you have to come to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. And this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. So from here, you have to start working by creating workflows like this. Okay. So to run an automation, you have to create a workflow here. So for that, you have to click here on create workflow button like this. And here you have to give a relevant name to a workflow. So you can give any name according to you. Let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name here as send customers from Wave to Google Sheets. Okay. Now click on create here and your workflow will be created like this. And here you will see these two things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, then action says Pabbly Connect do this. All right. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new customer added in Wave application, and the action would be is to send the details of that customer in our spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Okay. So first of all, click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Wave. Okay, this is Wave we have. And from this trigger event, you have to select new customer option. Okay. Then click on this connect button. And from this window, select add new connection option. And then click here on connect with Wave. Okay. So this will redirect us to the login window of Wave like this. Okay, so I have already logged in Wave. You can see here Wave application. So now it is asking for the access to fetch the details. So click on allow access here. Okay, and you can see the authorization is successful and started showing connected here. Right. So we are connected with Wave, and here you have to select the name of your business. So we have the name of our business is Pabbly. Okay. So select your business from here, from this list. Okay, like this. Then click here. When you click here on save and send test request, it will bring the data of most recently added customer here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So our most recently added customer was this Rajiv Nigam. Okay. So let me show you how the data will be captured. So I am going to create a new customer here. Then we will capture the data. Okay. So I'm adding another customer here. Let me fill the details. So I have added the details of a new customer here like this. Anand Pal is our new customer. Okay. So I'm going to click on save now. And you can see a new customer is added here in our Wave application. Now let me click here on save and send test request in Pabbly Connect. And you can see the data is captured here like this. It is showing us the name and the email. Okay. But it is not showing all other details that we have filled, like this phone number. It is not showing. And you can add many more details in the Wave application which will not show up here. So to fetch the complete details, what you have to do, click on this actions tab, and from this choose app, choose Wave application again like this. Okay. And from this action event, select the option which is this get customer by ID. Okay. Then click on connect. Okay. From this window, select add new connection and click on connect with Wave. And here also it will going to ask for the access. So give the required access, click on allow. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected again with Wave application. Now select the business's name, which is this Pabbly, and here in this customer ID field, first of all toggle this map button to on, and we are going to map this note ID which was created here in this first step, this note ID here in this second step. Okay, so first of all erase this data from here. Okay, and when you click here you will find this Wave new customer option. So click on it and you will find the details that you have fetched in the first step. So click on this note ID and it will be mapped like this, right? Okay, so now click on save and send test request and it will start to show you the complete data of your customer like this. Okay, so now it has started showing the details as this, and we have the phone number also now, and also the fields that we have left, that we have not filled is also showing up here, the address, city, the province, the country. So if you have all these details, all the details will be fetched here like this, okay? And it is also showing us the creation date of the customer, right? Like this. Now I want to add this customer here in my spreadsheet in a new row, okay? For that, what you have to do, click on this plus icon, and from this choose app, choose your application as Google Sheets, okay? And in this action event, you have to select add new row option, then click on this connect button, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so from this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your Google Sheet application is connected. So this is our email ID. Select that email ID, then give the required access to transfer the data. Click on continue. Okay, and it will start showing this, and we will be connected like this with Google Sheets application. Now it is asking for us to select the spreadsheet. Okay, so we can have many spreadsheets created in our Google Sheet application. So it will, when you click here, it will show you the list of all the sheets we have created in Google Sheets. Okay, so my sheet here is this wave, you can see. So you have to find this sheet here from this list. Okay, this is wave sheet, click on it. And now it is asking for the sheet you have in your spreadsheet. So we can have many sheets in a spreadsheet, and this is our sheet we are using, and the name of this sheet is this customer. So select this sheet from this select sheet field, click here, and you will find this sheet's name, click on it. And now it is asking for the first name, last name, and all the fields, all the columns we have in our spreadsheet. Okay, so we are going to map the details of the customer that we got here in the second step, okay, to here in this step. So first of all, click here on first name, and you will find this wave customer, get customer by ID option. Click on it, and from here map the first name, okay, then map the last name by the same process, the email, this is the email, okay, the mobile number, so this is the mobile number, right? And the created date, you will find the creation date of creation as well. Okay, this is the created at, so this is the date of creation and time, map it. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and this data will be delivered to our spreadsheet in a new row. Okay, so we have 5 rows here now, and I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing this kind of response here. Now let's check our spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see we have a new row here, and it is showing Anand Pal, the email, the mobile, the creation date. So this is the same data that we have filled, mapped here like this. Okay, so connection with Google Sheets is also working fine, and the workflow is completed. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. Okay, so first of all, in this trigger window, I selected wave application. Okay, and then captured the data like this of a most recently added customer, right? But it is not showing up the full data. So to get the full data, I connected wave again in the action window, and by mapping this note ID that we have created here in the first tab, we captured the whole data that we have in our wave application, right? After that, I want to send this data to Google Sheets. For that, we connected Google Sheets in another action step, and selected our spreadsheet and mapped the details to fill in the columns. Okay, and when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that we got the details here like this. Okay, so now you just have to click on save, and we are going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.